Don't let bad soil or bad knees keep you from gardening. Joel Karsten, author of Straw Bale Gardens Complete, has come up with a way to get all the benefits of a raised bed with less effort and expense. Use straw bales. We used his process in our test garden and got great results. Just take a look at the lush growth here. These vegetables are thriving. When daytime temperatures are at least 45 degrees Fahrenheit, apply a high nitrogen lawn fertilizer to the top of the straw bale for 9 days. This gets the decomposition process going so the bales become a well-drained, high-nutrient environment. After each feeding, water the bale until it's running out the bottom. The first few times will take a little longer to get them saturated. Check the temperature of the straw bale by inserting a soil thermometer 6 inches into the bale. If it's over 100 degrees, you'll need to wait a couple days to plant. Now it's time to plant. Wedge the trowel between straw layers and push it back and forth to make a hole for the plant's root ball. Plants in 4-inch pots have bigger root systems and are ready for planting. No need for any extra potting mix. You can space them just like you would if they were growing in the ground. To sow seed, place potting mix 2 inches deep on top of the straw bales so the seeds have a more moisture retentive material to get started in. Space them according to package directions. You can even plant the sides. Once all your plants and seeds are in place, give them all a good soaking until water runs out the bottom of the bales. It took about 5 weeks for the newly planted straw bales to really take off. This Astia bush zucchini looked great with its silvery leaves, and it produced plenty of fruit. There were plenty of cucumbers, peppers, and tomatoes to share, plus blooms from nasturtiums and marigolds to enjoy. This straw bale vegetable garden harvest was a big success. If you're ready to give this technique a try, visit GardenGateMagazine.com or see the link below. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Sherry with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, subscribe to our Garden Gate Magazine YouTube channel. You'll find tips, design ideas, how-to help for gardeners just like you. Be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a video.